Think your dream home is out of reach? Let me show you how to get that designer look for under $30, room by room, piece by piece. Well, today, I'm letting you in on the secret. It's not about price tags. It's about smart styling. In this video, I'll show you how to achieve that luxury look for less using a few simple, budget-friendly home decor ideas that completely elevate your space. We're talking about beautiful cordless lamps that give off a soft ambient glow, perfect for kitchen counters, bedside tables, or cozy bar nooks. Instead of paying $350, I found a gorgeous one for under $30, and it instantly gave my room that old-school library charm. Then there's this deep burgundy brown marble tray, inspired by a $215 designer piece that I scored for just $35. I styled it with a candle, marble coasters, and a tiny vintage book, and added so much depth and character to my coffee table. Little touches like this can completely transform a room without a big renovation. I also love adding woven hurricane candle holders. They give off such a warm, natural texture and look stunning all year round, indoors or out. While the designer versions go for over $150, I found some stunning dupes for less than $20. And don't get me started on throw pillows. Classic pinstripe designs with ruffled edges can make your sofa or bed feel tailored and cozy. And you don't need to spend $100 each to get that look. Even simple things like a tissue box cover made of natural wicker can turn an eyesore into something intentional and beautiful. One of my favorite styling tips is this: elevate the everyday. Take the things you already have to keep out, like salt and pepper shakers or your houseplants, and style them with care. Add a marble tray, a soft lamp, or a cozy throw blanket nearby, and suddenly, your whole room feels like it belongs in a home decor magazine. Whether you're decorating a small apartment or a large home, it's about adding pieces that feel meaningful, cozy, and personal, not just expensive. Because creating a beautiful space doesn't have to drain your wallet. It just takes a little creativity and a lot of heart. So if you're looking for home decorating inspiration, budget-friendly dupes, and easy styling tips to refresh your space, you're in the right place. Stick around. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll keep bringing you affordable home ideas that make every corner of your home feel like a reflection of you, warm, welcoming, and truly beautiful.